Hello, friends. Running Kimono here, and I have a secret if you'd like to hear it, and it's in regards to the Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale that's still ongoing. Well, the rumor on the street is that tomorrow, which is Saturday, June the 27th, the 3-wick candles are going to be $7.95 for 1 day, curbside and in-store. Later today, to prove this rumor, an email or an announcement on social media will be made, and probably if you check the app tomorrow, are these candles $7.95 or not? That is the question. Currently, the candles are $7.99 for the single wick and $12.99 for the triples. $12.99 to $10.99. It's kind of a fine line to talk about here. So it is the summer collection, or the ones that they have for the semi-annual sale, that are tagged at $10.99 that are going to get reduced down to $7.95. Hopefully I didn't confuse you too much. Now, when I was told this yesterday, I'm like, that's interesting. It's a weird price, because I thought it would be $7.99, just thinking like logically, like why not? And I asked like 3 times, I'm like, you mean the triple wicks? And they're like, yeah. And so for the candle day last year, it was $9.95. So if they're going to drop it to $7.95 to try to get a little steam and people into the store, because it's been crickets for the semi-annual sale, it kind of makes sense. So because the price point $2 cheaper than candle day. So I just thought it'd be fun to just jog through some of the ones that I saw in the app that I think that are interesting. And again, you're looking for these triple wicks at $10.99 tomorrow, which is Saturday the 27th. It should drop down to $7.95. But let's be smart and double, triple check social media in case this isn't just a rumor. But I think there's some steam to this. And a couple managers told me it's been really slow, this semi-annual sale, and I'm not surprised by that. Book Loft is kind of a cologne-y one. I'm not too fancy on this. I prefer like a really nice clean citrus scent for the summer, or Old Standby that's baking. And I love those two scents, one or the other. I don't really like these, like, a leather smell with some perfume. It's just not my thing. I do like this whole Disney princess line though. I do find that all the candles smell similar, but they still had a ton of these left. So for $7.95, I'm definitely going to have my Disney princess moment. And again, later today around 8, 9 o'clock, look for an email or check the app. There might be a huge announcement on their social media too. But currently right now, this is like under lock and key. So I don't know why I'm telling you guys this. We have the white caramel cold brew. This seems absolutely magic in a candle. I have looked at this candle about 10 times and not purchased it. I don't know why. Even for $10.99, I'm kind of like, ah. And I think a lot of us are feeling that right now. Sweet tea and lemonade. This one in my book is a home run because I do like that lemon smell, fresh cleaning. And for $7.95, are you interested in some of these candles? Let me know in the comments down below. We have Springtime in Paris, that gorgeous 3-wick, Fresh Amalfi Lemon. That's even more of a lemony scent. I'm definitely going to have to smell that one tomorrow. I did not, but it just seems quite magical. We have the Coastal Cottage. The design work, that watercolor is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It just looks like the picture of summer on the East Coast. It just looks like a beautiful watercolor. They sold me on that one. And then, of course, I love food. We have the Cherry Blossom Pound Cake. I did smell this one. You think it would be something like pistachio, but it actually has a really nice note of pound cake, like that buttery, sugary smell. And then we have Main Street Bakery, which I think is an absolute home run. I have purchased this candle probably like 6 times. I'm going to stock up for $7.95. And one that I didn't like so much is homemade sourdough. It smells a lot like cologne masking body odor, which is an odd combination. Even smelling this on a cold smell, it's weird. Burning it in your house, it's even weirder. This one I would pass on. Smell it in the store and let me know what you think. You might have a couple dollars in your IBOTTA account from promotions that you have been doing or rebates. If you have about $20, you can get a Bath and Body Works gift card. So I would absolutely do that to get your candles, the price point, a lot cheaper. With the $20 gift card, you probably can get about 3. You might have to kick in a couple of bucks. And if you remember earlier in the week, we had this promotion for this Ziftive Zillions gift card at the Dollar General. It's basically 40% off after the $8 cashback. So, and Bath and Body Works is one of the stores. I actually activated my card a couple days ago and used it in store at Bath and Body Works, and it was perfect. Really easy to use. And yeah, if you wanted to get with a $20 gift card, I think you could probably get about three. So you'd have to kick in a couple of dollars again, but this is definitely a stock up price at $7.95. So check the app later tonight. Emails usually is how they let us all know, or their social media. I'm pretty excited by this. We'll catch you in the next one, guys. Bye.